Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Kitija, and in this channel I show step-by-step tutorials on how to make different types of beaded jewelry. I do work with wire as well. In today's video I am going to make this little heart. Well, I got two. Yeah, I'm gonna be making this. It's like two hearts together and then I connected them. And the reason why I'm making it is because somebody actually requested this heart to be made, because I made this heart and they wanted like a full one. So that's what I am going to be making today. The things that I'm gonna use are a mat. I always work with a mat when I work with beads. Then I have two different color beads. These ones are Miyuki size 8/0, so these ones are bigger than the 11/0. It's just because it's obviously easier for me to show you with bigger beads. Then I have fishing line, and the size is 0.32 millimeter, and this is the heart that I made with this fishing line. And then I have some more fishing line, which is 0.44 millimeter, and I made this heart with this fishing line. Not much of a change, to be honest. I think with the smaller fishing line, it's a bit like fluffier, but you can do it with both fishing lines, to be honest. And then I have a pair of scissors. I'm gonna take a fishing line. All you need to make sure is that your fishing line or string or whatever you use goes through the bead, I think maximum 3 times. So I'm gonna take fishing line and I'm gonna take about 50 centimeters, and I am just folding it over. And now I am going to put 3 beads on the fishing line. So I'm gonna take 1, 2, 3 beads on one end of the fishing line and just let them go down. And then I'm going to take another bead and put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, like so. And now I hold both ends of the fishing line, make sure they're the same length, and just drag the bead down, like so. And now I'm going to put 1 bead on one end of the fishing line, 1 bead on the other, and take another bead and pull each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, like so. This is how it looks now. And now I do the same thing once more. 1 bead on one end, 1 bead on the other, and then 1 bead and pull one end of the fishing line through one side of the bead and at the other end through the other side of the bead, and drag it down. So this is what it looks now. And now I'm gonna take this end of the fishing line and put 2 beads on. Like so. And now I'm going to take this end of the fishing line and put it through this bead. Like so. And now I take the same end, this one, and again I put 2 beads on, like so, and then take the other side and put it through the last bead, like so. And now if I pull it, it's all gonna go nicely together. And now I'm just going to turn it around like this, and now I'm going to take this end and put it through this bead here. like so. And now I take this end and I put one bead on, like so. And now I grab both of the ends of the fishing line and take one bead and put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead. And when I drag it down, this is how it looks. And now I take this end again and put it through the bead here. And then I take the other end and put one bead on, like so. And then I take both ends of the fishing line and take one bead, put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead. And just drag it down. This is how it looks now. And now I take this end, put it through the last bead, like so. And now I take this end, put one bead on, like so. And then I take another bead and put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, like so. And now I take this end and I put two beads on it, like so. And then I take another bead and I put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, like so. And now I'm taking this end and putting it through the bead here, pull it, and now I take this end and I put one bead on it, like so. And now I take another bead and put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, like so. And now I take this end and put one bead on it, like so. And then I take another bead and put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, like so. You can see the heart shape already. And now I take this end and put it through this bead here, like so. And now I just take one bead and put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, like so. So that's the first heart done. Now we only need to make another heart. So I will do that, and once I'm done, I will show you how to connect them together. Okay, I just finished the second heart and now I need to connect them together. but we don't need that much fishing line. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna tie one down. So I'm just gonna take the fishing line and just tie it 3 times. And you want to try and have that knot on like one side, because that is going to be our inside. And once you have tied that down, you can just cut the loose ends off. So this is how it looks. This is the inside. We will hide that knot, so don't worry about it. So now I'm going to take the heart where I have the fishing line, and I'm going to take this end of the fishing line, put one red bead on, but obviously you don't need to use red bead. I'm just going to use different colors so it's easier for me to explain. Like so. And now I take the other heart and I sort of like put them together, and I take the same sort of like bead on the other heart, and I just pull the fishing line from bottom up, like so. This is how it looks if I like open them up. And now I'm going to take these 2 ends of the fishing line and take another red bead and pull each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead. And just drag them down, drag it down. And now you can see I have these 2 beads sticking out here. So I'm going to take this end of the fishing line, put it through this side of the bead, like so. And now I take the other side of the fishing line and put it through the other side bead. Like so. And now I take a red bead, and this is, if you open it up, this is how it looks. And now I take another red bead, pull each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, and just pull the ends so it comes together again. And now the next beads I'm gonna put through the fishing line will be this one, like so. And then if I turn it around, it will be this one. Like so. This is how it looks if you open it up, but now I won't be able to actually open it up anymore. And now I take another red bead and put each end of the fishing line through the opposite side of the bead, and just drag it down. And now the next beads on the side will be this one. And then we take the other side and do the same thing. And now again, we take the red bead, pull each end of the fishing line through the opposite side of the bead, drag it down, You can see how it all follows up, and then you put the fishing eye through one side, and then you take the other side and do the same thing. This is how it looks now. And now I take again red bead, do the same thing, drag it down, and just follow up through the next beads on the side. As you can see, it just goes all together. And you just keep going like this until you get to the last beads on the sides. And again, as the same as the previous. And again, as the same as the previous heart, the bigger one. Like you can make a, I don't know, key ring or charm or necklace, hang it on a necklace or something. You just need to put like a jump ring through, or like a string or something. Oh, and I think you can put like some paper inside as well, just to make the heart a little bit puffy. Seen that on the internet as well. So we had this far, and now I'm just gonna put the fishing eye through the side beads. Like so, and now we're just gonna not put new red bead, but just put through the bead here. Like so. So I will take this end and put it through the pink bead back, then the red bead, and then the other side pink bead. And now I have both the fishing like ends on one side, and that's where we tie it. And once you have tied it, again I do it 3 times. You can put some glue on it if you want to. If not, that's totally fine. You just need to make sure your tie is tight enough. And this is it. This is the little cute heart done. So pretty. As I said, like you can see that it like goes in a little bit. So if you put like a little paper inside or something like that, then it's just gonna make it a little bit puffier. But so cute. I really like that. So like, you know, for Valentine's Day, like this is such a cool Valentine's Day gift, I think. Doesn't cost you anything if you have all the supplies. So very, very nice. So yeah, I have a video of this as well. I will link it. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember this is literally the 3rd time I'm making this heart, so it's actually really, really easy and doesn't take that much time. I do think that it's gonna look a bit more difficult in the video, but it's not, trust me. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.